Hello, this is Alfonso Caro. That's Arthur behind the camera. In this short video, I'm going to show you the Focal Contractor series speaker. It's the 100 series, more specifically the 100 ICW8. I'm going to be showing you the Focal Contractor series. As you know, Focal is manufacturer, research and developer of some of the best premium speakers in the world. But they also offer lower cost speakers. This one is a Contractor series. It's really nice. It's a speaker that we use a lot for distributed audio. It can also be used in standard home theater systems for Dolby Atmos speakers. The best thing that I can notice on this speaker is the tweeter. See if we can see this a little bit better there. Usually the tweeters are have a bump, it pops out a little bit. This one is inverted. So this one is an aluminum inverted tweeter. And because of the metallic material, you get a very nice tingling sound at the very high frequencies. And because of the inverted form of the tweeter, the waveguide adopted its form, its ideal form, right from the beginning, resulting in much better sound dispersion. So really nice. Is something that you will not see in any other brand, at least as of right now. Only Focal has the right to use this kind of tweeters, as it is their patented technology. Here the woofer is made of polyglass, which is pretty light, but also allows us to place these speakers in humid environment, such as a bathroom, for example, where there's humidity or steam going up. So it's very resistant on those. This one is the 100 ICW8. 100 stands for the series. This is the 100 series. ICW is because it's in ceiling and also in wall. And then number 8, the last number, represents the size of the woofer, the driver. So in this case, it's an 8 inch. It also comes available in 6 inches and 5 inches for smaller rooms. The installation is fairly easy. Very good dot legs. It's, like I say, it's a very nice speaker that we use a lot in distributed audio. You may see these speakers in kitchen, library, living rooms, and many other rooms around the house. But sometimes it can also be used as a Dolby Atmos speaker in a home theater room. It comes with 2 options on the grill. The grill is white. On the other side, the filter is black. It gives it a little bit of a gray finish, of gray appearance in the back, and it's magnetic. It has absolutely no edges, so it looks beautiful, blends into to your ceiling environment. You also have the option for the square grill. Fantastic, great, really nice, elegant look after the speaker is installed. This is almost flushed with the wall or the ceiling surface. It only sticks out perhaps 1/8 of an inch, maybe a little bit more, but not much more than that. Fantastic. So check it out. We have it available. Is Focal 100 ICW. Now, in the next video, we're going to be talking about the 300 series. So check it out. If you like this video, if there are more speakers you would like us to describe and show on these videos, short videos, please let us know down below in those comments. If you like the video, please give us a thumb up and stay tuned for the next video, the 300 series from Focal.